Dear students, in this video I am going to discuss one theorem which is based upon limit superior. What is the statement? Statement says that a real number u is the limit superior of a bounded sequence an if and only if the following two conditions are satisfied. First condition says that for any choice of epsilon greater than 0, an is greater than u minus epsilon for infinitely many values of n. That means there are infinitely many terms of the sequence which are greater than u minus epsilon. Fine. Second condition says that for every choice of epsilon greater than 0, an is less than u plus epsilon for all except finitely many values of n. That means there are infinitely many terms which are less than u plus epsilon except only finitely many terms. That means there are only finitely many terms which do not satisfy this condition. That means there are only finitely many terms which are greater than u plus epsilon. Fine. So this is the statement. So if you draw the picture of this statement, so which says that u is the limit superior of an if and only if there are two conditions. First condition says that for any choice of epsilon, an is greater than this for infinitely many terms. So here is somewhere u, here is u plus epsilon, here is u minus epsilon. So first condition says that there are infinitely many terms here which are greater than this number. Somewhere an is maybe here and so on. Fine. So here infinitely many terms. Infinitely an. They are infinitely many here. This is the first condition. And second condition says that here, if this is u minus epsilon, this is u plus epsilon, then second condition says that here we have finite terms. However, here we have infinite terms. Here we have infinite terms, here we have finitely terms. This is the second condition. Fine. So now we have to prove that if this is limit superior, then these two conditions are satisfied, and conversely, when these two conditions are satisfied, then we have to show that u is the limit superior of an. What is the limit superior? Limit superior is nothing but we have set of limit points. We have set of limits point. So this is the largest limit point of an. This is the meaning of this. So now we have all the things. Now we have to prove. So let us start. Proof. So suppose u be the limit superior of a bounded sequence. Here one important thing is that sequence is bounded. So u is the limit superior of bounded an. Fine. And we know that what is the meaning. Bounded means sequence is bounded if you can find out a positive number. Here is the origin. You can find out the number small k or capital K. All the terms are laying here in the sequence. They are laying in this bound, small k and capital K. Fine. So this is the meaning. So let u be the limit superior of a bounded sequence an. Limit superior, that means this is the largest limit point of the sequence, and let epsilon be greater than 0. Then this implies limit superior of an is u, and since limit superior of an is u, that means u is a limit point. So u is a limit point of an. That means limit superior, this is the limit point. That means if when you take any neighborhood of u, this neighborhood contains infinitely many terms of the sequence. Fine. So this is the neighborhood of U which contains infinitely many an. This for infinitely many n. Fine. That means this neighborhood of U minus epsilon to U plus epsilon contains infinitely many terms, infinitely many an, and hence can we say that an is greater than U minus epsilon for infinitely many terms? That means all the terms they are laying here, here and here, they are infinitely many. Fine. So that means condition 1 is satisfied. This condition is satisfied. Fine. Now the second condition. Again, since U is the greatest limit point, because this is limit superior, so obviously when this is the greatest limit point, if U is the greatest limit point and this is U minus epsilon, so if you take any number which is greater than this, that will not be the limit point, because this is the largest limit point. So if you take any number here or say here U plus epsilon, so this will not be a limit, this will not be a limit point. Fine. So this implies U plus epsilon which is greater than U cannot be a limit point of an, because U is the largest one. तो U प्लस एप्सिलॉन तो उससे बड़ा नंबर है, तो वो तो हो ही नहीं सकता, क्योंकि U सबसे बड़ा लिमिट पॉइंट है, उससे कोई भी बड़ा नंबर ले लीजिए वो लिमिट पॉइंट हो नहीं सकता, क्योंकि वो लिमिट सुपीरियर है. फाइन. सो U प्लस एप्सिलॉन कैन नॉट बी अ लिमिट पॉइंट ऑफ एन, एंड सिंस U प्लस एप्सिलॉन कैन नॉट बी अ लिमिट पॉइंट, दैट मीन्स U plus epsilon cannot be a limit point. That means if you take any neighborhood of U plus epsilon, this will contain only finitely many terms. क्योंकि अगर ये infinitely many terms रख लेगा तो U minus epsilon लिमिट पॉइंट हो जाएगा, जो कि कॉन्ट्रोडिक्शन है, क्योंकि U सबसे बड़ा लिमिट पॉइंट है, ये तो है ही नहीं. That means this contains only finitely many terms. Finitely many terms. Because if this contain infinitely, then U minus epsilon will be, U plus epsilon will be a limit point, which is a contradiction because U is the largest one. Hence, so U plus epsilon cannot be a limit point of an. That means this neighborhood of U plus epsilon, so obviously this will be U plus 2 epsilon. So this neighborhood contains finitely many terms. So this neighborhood contains only finite number of terms. So that's why an is greater than U plus epsilon for only finitely many terms. So here greater than U plus epsilon, because this is finitely many terms, so and according to one this contains infinitely many terms, so obviously this will be only finitely many terms. So here we have finitely many terms. जब यहाँ पूरे में finite हैं तो यहाँ पर भी finite ही होंगी इतने पार्ट में. So an, if an is here, then obviously an is greater than this U plus epsilon for finitely many n. For finitely many n. That means an is greater than U plus epsilon for infinitely many values of n. क्योंकि अगर इसमें इसका लॉजिक दिया है, because this is only for finitely many values. Otherwise अगर यहाँ पर ये infinitely many value हो जाएंगी, so there will be a limit point which is greater than U. So that which is and this limit point is denoted by P. तो अगर ये फाइनाइट नहीं होती है तो वो इनफाइनाइटली होंगी, और अगर इनफाइनाइटली होगी तो एक लिमिट पॉइंट जरूर होगा विच इज P, विच इज अ कॉन्ट्रोडिक्शन बिकॉज U इज द लार्जेस्ट वन. हेंस वी आर हैविंग ओनली फाइनाइटली मैनी टर्म्स, विच आर ग्रेटर देन दिस. फाइन. दिस इज द कंडीशन नंबर 2. फाइन. नाउ द सेकेंड पार्ट, कन्वर्स पार्ट. Converse part is this. Suppose these two conditions are satisfied. Fine. So let us assume that U satisfies both the conditions. That means first condition says that an U, for any choice of this, first condition says that there are infinitely many terms which are greater than U minus epsilon. So U minus epsilon is less than an for infinitely many. This is our first condition. And second condition says that an is less than U plus epsilon for all except finitely many values of n. So first says that here are infinitely many terms. Second condition says that there are finitely many terms. When you conclude this, so can we say that this implies that this neighborhood u minus epsilon, this contains infinitely many, because this is the intersection of these two. This says that there are infinitely many, this says that here are infinite but there are finite. So when you take the intersection of these two, so between u minus epsilon to u plus infinite, there are infinitely many, that's why u will be a limit point. So that's why u is a limit point of an. Now we have to show that because u is the limit superior, so we have to show that u is the greatest limit point. तो लिमिट पॉइंट तो हो गया, लेकिन अब हमें शो करना है कि सबसे बड़ा लिमिट पॉइंट है. सो नाउ वी हैव टू शो दैट यू इज द ग्रेटेस्ट लिमिट पॉइंट ऑफ एन. मान लिया ऐसा नहीं है, सपोज यू इज नॉट द, यू इज अ लिमिट पॉइंट बट नॉट द ग्रेटेस्ट वन. इसका मतलब कोई और बड़ा नंबर है जो ग्रेटेस्ट, सपोज यू डैश. सो दिस इज द लिमिट पॉइंट, दिस इज द लिमिट पॉइंट. सो नाउ वी कैन find, because this is a real number, this is a real number, so obviously we can find out another two real numbers. One is p, here is q, such that u is less than p less than u dash is less than q. We can find out this. Suppose this is epsilon, this distance between u and p is epsilon. So what is p? P is obviously u plus epsilon, u plus epsilon, p is u plus epsilon. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू अवर कंडीशन नंबर 2, कंडीशन नंबर 2 क्या कह रही थी कि कोई भी नंबर u प्लस एप्सिलॉन से बड़ा होगा वहां पे फाइनाइट टर्म्स होंगी. दैट मीन्स हियर इन, बिकॉज दिस इज u प्लस एप्सिलॉन, तो यहाँ पर फाइनाइट टर्म्स होंगी. और अगर यहाँ फाइनाइट टर्म हो गई तो u डैश जो है वो लिमिट पॉइंट हो ही नहीं सकता, क्योंकि हमें एक नेबरहुड मिलता है u प्लस का, विच इज पी क्यू, विच इज पी क्यू. पी क्यू इज द नेबरहुड ऑफ u डैश हैविंग इनफाइनाइटली मैनी टर्म्स. That's why u dash is not a limit point. So जो हमारा assumption था वो wrong हो जाएगा, and that's why u is the largest one. यही हमने proof किया है here. So we have proved that u is the greatest limit point. So suppose u dash is greater than u, this number. So we can find two numbers p and q such that this inequality holds. P is here, q is here, and let us suppose this is epsilon. So from here p is nothing but u plus epsilon. So now according to the condition number 2, an is less than u plus epsilon, which is equal to p. Which is, that means an is less than this number p for all except finitely many ones. That means here are infinite but here are only finite terms greater than p. Fine. So an is greater than equal to p for only finitely many values of n. And from this equation you can see that pq is a neighborhood. This pq is a neighborhood of u dash. Pq is a neighborhood of u dash. Fine. Because here we have taken open interval. So PQ is a neighborhood of u dash, and P is less than equal to an for only finitely many values of n. That means u dash contains only finitely, and that's why this is not a limit point, because an is this for finitely many ones. Here are only finitely many terms. That's why u dash is not a limit point, and that's why u is the greatest limit point. So condition, our assumption is wrong. So u is the largest one. That means limit superior of an is u. यही हमें इसमें प्रूफ करना था. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं ये शो करके दिखाऊंगा कि सेम प्रूफ, सेम टाइप ऑफ प्रूफ फॉर लिमिट इन्फीरियर के लिए. ठीक, थैंक यू.